6 wheels, extreme capability, and a luxury interior that feels unreal. This build takes overlanding to a whole new level. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to AK Auto USA. Today, we're covering something truly insane: the 2026-27 Toyota WARLORD 6x6 motorhome. This is not your grandpa's RV. This is a rolling fortress that also happens to be a luxury penthouse on wheels. Let's get into it, starting with the design, and honestly, where do you even begin? The exterior is wrapped in a clean Arctic white body with a boxy, muscular silhouette that means serious business. Up front, you get an aggressive Toyota hexagonal grille flanked by multi-cluster LED headlights with sharp amber DRL strips that give this thing a futuristic, almost military face. The bumper is a full heavy-duty off-road unit with a mounted winch, dual round driving lights, and extra auxiliary lighting tucked into every corner. Moving to the sides, the body rides incredibly high on 6 massive mud-terrain tires. Yes, 6 wheels with black beadlock rims that look straight out of a Dakar rally build. The side profile shows a long, tall living cabin with large tinted windows and multiple lockable storage compartments below the body line. Around back, there's a thick off-road rear bumper with D-ring shackles on both ends, a trailer hitch receiver, round LED taillights in amber, red, and white, and a full-size spare tire mounted on the rear door. The side mirrors are heavy-duty truck-style units with dual glass panels for maximum visibility. Every angle of this vehicle says one thing: built to go anywhere and look incredible doing it. Under the hood, the WARLORD runs a turbocharged diesel estimated between 350 to 400 horsepower, with massive torque to move this luxury cabin across any terrain. The 6x6 drivetrain powers all 6 wheels simultaneously with a multi-terrain selector, front and rear diff locks, and a low-range transfer case for extreme off-road. Suspension is fully independent up front and reinforced multi-leaf at the rear, giving you both highway comfort and serious off-road capability. On the technology and safety side, the WARLORD is packed. The cockpit runs a Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series derived dashboard with a large landscape-oriented touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster gives you full real-time vehicle data. Safety tech includes Toyota Safety Sense with pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and a 360 degrees camera system, essential for a vehicle this size. Inside the living quarters, everything is controlled through a smart home-style panel managing lighting zones, climate, and power systems, including an onboard solar and generator setup for off-grid living. Stepping inside the main cabin, and this is where the WARLORD completely blows your mind. The living room features a massive white sectional sofa with warm amber LED underlighting, a glossy white round coffee table, light wood flooring, and a large flat-screen TV embedded in a stunning backlit panel with gold trim accents. The whole space feels like a high-end yacht interior. The kitchen is a full gourmet setup with an induction cooktop, stainless steel pull-out faucet sink, built-in double oven and microwave stack, and integrated refrigerator, and overhead cabinets with flip-up acrylic doors packed with dishware and dry goods. The dining area has an oval marble-top table with brushed gold legs and sculptural cream upholstered chairs set for 4, looking like a fine dining restaurant. Moving to the bedroom, there's a plush queen-size bed with premium white bedding, reading lamps on both sides, a padded fabric headboard, and upper bunk for extra guests, a ceiling cassette air conditioner, and built-in storage drawers underneath. In the bathroom, compact but absolutely not compromising. It has a full glass door shower cabin, a wall-mounted flush toilet, a vessel sink vanity with chrome fixtures, a mirrored medicine cabinet, and a ventilation window with a blind. Every square centimeter of this interior has been designed and finished to 5-star hotel standards. What makes the WARLORD truly special is how it combines military-grade 6x6 capability with a hotel-quality interior, something almost no other vehicle on Earth can claim. The Toyota platform means legendary reliability and a global parts network. You're not limited to campgrounds. Take this to the most remote corners of the planet and live comfortably once you arrive. From the exterior bumpers to the interior marble dining table, the build quality is consistent, cohesive, and absolutely uncompromising. This is freedom without sacrifice. Now the big question, how much? As a custom expedition build, pricing depends on configuration, but estimates land between $500,000 and $900,000 USD, with fully loaded versions potentially crossing $1 million. Specialty RV lenders offer financing options, and many buyers treat this as a long-term investment given Toyota's reliability and the strong resale value of premium expedition vehicles. These are built to order, so early deposits are the way in. After everything you've seen, one thing is clear: this isn't just built for travel, it's built for total freedom. And that's the 2026 to 27 Toyota WARLORD 6x6 Motorhome, the most capable luxury overlander we've ever covered here on AK Auto USA. If you want to see more content like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us, would you take the WARLORD off-road or keep it as a luxury road tripper? We'll see you in the next one. Peace.